Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the step-by-step process of setting up your Alexa device and ensuring your smart home is ready to go. Let's get started. Step 1. Unbox your Alexa device. Carefully remove your Alexa device from its packaging. Ensure you have the power adapter, quick start guide, and any additional accessories included in the box. Step 2. Connect the power adapter. Plug the power adapter into a wall outlet and connect it to your Alexa device. Wait for the light ring on the device to turn orange, indicating that it's ready for setup. Step 3. Download the Alexa app. On your smartphone or tablet, go to the App Store, iOS, or Google Play Store, Android, and download the Amazon Alexa app. Open the app once the installation is complete. Step 4. Sign in or create an Amazon account. If you already have an Amazon account, sign in using your credentials. If you don't, you'll need to create a new account. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. Step 5. Set up your device. In the Alexa app, tap the device's icon at the bottom right corner. Then click on the plus icon and select Add Device. Choose your Alexa device type from the list of available devices. Step 6. Connect to Wi-Fi. Follow the prompts in the app to connect your Alexa device to your home Wi-Fi network. Make sure to enter the correct Wi-Fi password if prompted. Step 7. Personalize your settings. Once your device is connected, you can customize settings such as your preferred voice response, music streaming services, and smart home device integration. Navigate through the app to adjust these preferences. Step 8. Explore smart home features. If you have smart home devices, you can integrate them into your Alexa app. Select Devices and then Add Device to discover compatible smart home products. Follow the prompts to connect and set them up. Step 9. Test your Alexa device. Once everything is set up, test your Alexa device by giving it a simple command like, "Alexa, what's the weather today?" This will help you confirm that the device is responding correctly. Step 10. Enjoy your new smart home assistant. Now that your Alexa device is set up and your smart home is ready, explore the various features and functionalities it offers. From playing music to controlling smart devices, your Alexa is now your personal assistant at home. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful.